4 o'clock update. This is Marco, and Marco looks like it's going to be more definite. We're talking about the southeast coast of Louisiana, and it is a real big problem for New Orleans. Just the dirty side. Remember, yesterday we were looking at this possibly coming at our area for tomorrow, but for later on into Tuesday. But now it's a fast mover coming into the southeastern coast of Louisiana. Going to cause a lot of problems for them. We're concerned about that because, you know, a lot of the low-lying areas there, they really need to be concerned about that. Now, as it moves on over, it'll become an area of low pressure, and it's going to still bring rain more to the eastern part of the state, but we'll still get some outflow from that. Not a whole lot, but we'll still get something from that. I want you to look at Laura, though. Laura, which is still a tropical storm right now, moving across, and the models are not in agreement in a lot of ways, although the National Hurricane Center says Category 1 by Wednesday. And look at this, Category 2 by about Thursday morning at 1 a.m. The model does have Houston in that cone, and it keeps it as a Category 2. This is concerning, moving up. That may change, of course. All of this may change. Once you look at the, quote, spaghetti models, we look at all the different models for Laura. Look what happens here. This is a pretty big spread, although the ones that are most reliable are coming into this area. And, you know, we always talk about the American and the European. This is for Tuesday morning at 7 o'clock. European and the American are both pretty much in agreement. This is the American, and I want you to notice this. This has been changing just in the last several hours. But this is where Marco comes right across there. Here's Laura, and I want you to notice the trend. Comes right across, and instead of coming a little bit closer to where Marco went, it's farther to the west. Too close to comfort for me right now. The models kind of keep doing. So I say never let your guard down. I never let my guard down until it's done. The FUTURECAST model of the rain, this is the American FUTURECAST, shows the heaviest rain right here, which also shows a fair amount of rain for us as well going into Wednesday. So that's what we have to keep your guard up at all times. This is something that's an imperfect science, but we keep on track of it as best we possibly can. So here's a look outside right now where the temperature is 74 degrees. Temperatures around the area comfortable, low to mid 70s with the dew points in the low 70s as well, which makes it comfortable. The wind, not much of an issue at all. So hour by hour forecast going to be close to 95 degrees. And over the next several days, you notice the rain chances go up a bit. We're going to probably increase those rain chances on that Wednesday time period up well beyond 40 based upon what are the latest model runs. You've been seeing them updating as I've been seeing them right live on the air here. So we'll be adjusting that a little bit. Showers will be around throughout the week. So, and keeping our eye really focused on what's going on to the east of us for the next several days.